So hey, this is Shiny Star. I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on a few different things here to start streaming on YouTube, or in fact using Restream to stream to multiple platforms, such as like I do is Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So let me further ado switch. I'm going to be switching to my desktop. I got to make sure I got to switch to a different display to this one, not that one. That's my second monitor. This one right here. So, further ado, you go to your up your icon here and to Creator Studio, and that's where I'm at here. And then you go to live streaming. Usually, when you go to Restream and you use the titles option, I've found it changes your titles for whatever places you're streaming at. But I'm gonna make sure. I think I turned off my alarm too. I got my watch alarm going off. But here you can edit your titles ahead of time yourself manually. When I've done Restream to edit the titles, it goofs up my monetization to not suitable for most advertisers for some reason. Sometimes the bot catches it after it starts processing, and sometimes it's in this option here. It does it, but here's you can edit your information, and then here is where you can do your category. Because if I kept this the same way and I start streaming and I change my thumbnail and or change my title on Restream, then I'm going to be streaming Farming Simulator. It'll keep this tag right here saying I'm playing Euro Truck Simulator. So this is where you can go in here, and if you want to switch games, then you go to start typing Farming Simulator. Boom, and then your gaming category is changed. Okay? And then it automatically saves it right there. Then you can further click here, go to Advanced. It opens up a new tab, and then you got it right here as well. Okay. Sometimes the title automatically changes that on YouTube. Sometimes it don't. So I want to make sure it's that. And also here you can go through here, change your tags, and clear that out, and then get it ready for, say, farming. Oops, type capital. You want to maybe tag it with Farming Simulator 17. And then I usually, 17, and then comma, and then another one, maybe FS17. And you can even do whatever you want, farming game, comma, many tags you want. And then, that's, of course, I would change the title, right? But then you would hit save, and it's there. So I hope that helps. But that's what I do before I stream. I mean, typically, let me move my OBS, not shrink it, so I can go to the other screen on display here. Let's see, I might need to just make a different tab for just the screens. So like here, I would do the same thing on Twitch. I would edit right here. Restream will just edit this. It'll change this. But if you want to actually what you're streaming, if I'm switching to games, see if I left that alone, let Restream title for me, it's going to still say the last game I played. Then it's going to be confusing. People searching on Twitch for games. Then I just switch to Farming Simulator, see, and then done. See, that's if I'm going before I go. Otherwise, if you just go here to your dashboard in Restream and you go to titles, yes, it'll edit. You can update all these titles, but it's not going to update what game you're playing on Twitch and then on YouTube. So I hope that helps. And yeah, so peace out. Have fun and happy streaming, happy gaming, and everything else. This is Shiny Star, just doing a little bit of tutorial on how to set up titles and game what game you're playing. Have a good one.